right, real quick on this one. This is a 2011 Chevy Camaro LS, 97,000 miles on this one. Those will be power windows, power locks, tilt cruise. This have these 20-inch Giovanna wheels, so if you buy this, you can roll just like the wrappers. Again, for the age, not bad. I mean, you know, you got a little bit of curb rash here and there. It's got a nice little set of aftermarket louvers on it, aftermarket spoiler. Again, you know, great little inexpensive, you know, if you don't want to start them out on the SS. It's a great starter Camaro for somebody. Outside, not bad. Really not seeing a whole lot. I mean, the wheels do, you know, do have a little bit of curb rash on them, but again, you know, it is a 2011. It's not a brand new car by any stretch of the imagination. But as you can see, it looks pretty good. Now I'm going to take you on the inside of this one. This will be a pretty quick tour. So on the inside, we're going to take a peek at it. Manual seat. It does have power height adjustment. It does have power windows, power locks, tilt cruise. I'm trying to get you in this back seat. As you can see, interior's not in bad shape. Does have all-weather mats in it. We're going to hop in. Does have tilt wheel. I drove this thing up the road. Does have a check engine light on, but it runs just fine. 97,902 miles. As you can see, it's going to have CD player, AC, automatic transmission. Your cruise is right there. It does have a tilt wheel as well. Overall, not a bad car. It priced very budget friendly. And that's going to conclude this one. Alright, here's another one that I have that fresh trade just come in. 2008 Chevy Tahoe LTZ. So this has got like 107,000 miles on it. It's got second row buckets, knee deep in almost new Michelins. This thing's in pretty good shape from what I've seen. Power windows, power locks, tilt cruise, got power liftgate, remote start, factory navigation. It is a 5.3 V8 with an automatic. Does have the tow package right there. As you can see, this thing is not bad at all. Heated seats, remote start. It's going to have the Bose Stereo. And again, only 107,000 miles on this one. It's LTZ, so this is the top of the line. Give me just a second, we'll get you in on the inside. As we hop in, you're going to see your memory and your heated seats there. Four-wheel drive, we've got the automatic headlights on. It's got your steering wheel audio controls. Again, this thing is not bad. 107,000 miles. Does have power moonroof. Looks like it does have the power third row seats as well. Factory navigation right there, dual zone automatic climate control, power adjustable pedals. Also on the passenger side, it's going to have heated seats. I'm going to take you around to the back. The back's going to have second row buckets. So you got those there. It does have the rear DVD player there. Heated second row seats as well. As you can see the controls there. There's auxiliary outputs. You could play a PlayStation in here if you wanted to. But second row buckets, leather appears to be in great shape. But take you around to the back. I'm just going to show you. It does have the power liftgate. You get that all opened up. And the third row seats right now are folded up, as you can see. But you got second row buckets. Inside of it's pretty clean. Again, this thing for an 08's in really good shape, at least from what I can see. Again, second row buckets. I'm going to show you that bucket on the passenger side. As you can see, looks like it's in really good shape. So I'm going to show you on your driver's side, or your passenger side, I mean. You have power seat there. Leather appears to be in good shape. You've got small weather mats in the front. Heated seat controls right there. And that concludes it for this '08 Chevy Tahoe LTZ. Guys, thanks for taking time to watch my video. If you would, please give it a like, see if I can get a little bit more traffic going on this page. And if you would, give me a follow if you like videos like this. Again, thanks for taking time out to watch me. I'll see you very soon in the next video.